Introducing Trafalgar's full range of Australian-made cast-in fire choke collars that provide a full suite of passive fire penetration systems for the plumbing market. The FyreCOLLAR range are an intumescent-based fire-stopping solution that will swell and expand under fire conditions to effectively close off the penetration and prevent the spread of fire. The cast-in range includes a solution for both plastic and metal pipes, for stack, drain, waste, and vent applications, using the FyreCOLLAR cast-in stack high and low collars, available in a range of sizes. For floor waste applications, the new FyreCOLLAR cast-in floor waste collars are tested for a range of common plastic pipe types, with 4-way risers and P-traps, and are fitted with spring-loaded intumescent blades that will shut off the penetration quickly once activated. Installation of the FyreCOLLAR cast-in collars is fast, clean and easy. Step 1. Position the collar on the correct location on the deck of the formwork. For the low-cast stack collars and the floor waste collars, fit a section of pipe long enough that it will extend past the concrete level once poured. High-cast stack collars are suitable for use in slabs up to 250mm depth and don't need pipes pre-fitted. Step 2. Pour the concrete. The high-strength polypropylene and galvanized steel components provide a superior flexural and moisture resistance during the initial concrete pour and for the life of the building. Step 3. Once the concrete is set, the pipes can be connected. For the FyreCOLLAR cast-in stack high and low-cast collars, apply a small bed of FireFlex sealant to the top side of the slab as a smoke seal. Step 4. For floor waste applications with the FyreCOLLAR cast-in floor waste collars, the puddle flanges, grates and screed can be installed without any additional sealant. The floor waste collars are also available in high cast. The FyreCOLLAR floor waste collars are tested and suitable for PVC, HDPE, raw piano and D-blue pipes, with 4-way risers or P-traps for fire resistance levels up to 240. The FyreCOLLAR cast-in stack low collars are tested and supplied in a range of sizes to suit common size PVC, HDPE and other plastic pipes up to 100mm in size. The FyreCOLLAR cast-in stack high collars are tested and suitable for a range of PVC, HDPE and other raw piano plastic pipes up to 150mm in size. The high-cast collars have also been tested with pipe elbows pushed up inside the collar housing. The FyreCOLLAR cast-in stack high collars are also tested and suitable for copper pipes up to 100mm, using Trafalgar's patented UniGuard to prevent the spread of fire via heat transfer, installed to the top side of the slab. We have also extended the FyreCOLLAR cast-in stack high fire testing approvals to include HVAC&R services, like bundles of bare coil. For more information on our range of Australian-made FyreCOLLAR cast-in fire collars, or the full range of plumbing-specific passive fire solutions, please contact Trafalgar Fire on 1800 888 714 or visit www.tfire.com.au for the full technical manuals and fire test reports.